Pasta I have taken 150 grams, and then butter 50 grams, cheese 30 grams, and we need mushroom also, whatever quantity you like. I have taken about 5 mushrooms, and cream, 1 cup cream I need, and then lime juice, pepper, salt, black olives, crab meat, along with that spinach and the red pepper or red chilies and garlic. Now we will see. Pasta should be added into a pan, and then along with that water and a teaspoon of oil or butter, boil it. 8 minutes boiling should be done without covering. Uncover and you boil it for 8 minutes till the starch goes. After that, strain and have it ready. Now the pasta is ready for us. Now this is the spiral pasta that I have taken. Whatever pasta you like you can use, but I thought this time I will take the spiral one. It's a small one so that it's easy to prepare, and small children to eat also. It will be easy for them. Now along with that, what I am going to do first thing is I will put the butter into the pan. Once we start melting, we have to see what I am going to use now. Temper it, so we will add that pasta. While I am stir frying, what I am going to do here is I will add a little salt. Salt we will add. Along with that, a little pepper. Red pepper. So we always use. Or the rice pepper. Little of cheese. That means I have to just fill it the way I want. I can fill it. The balance I am going to put into another bowl which comes later on over it. Okay, so I have put that also in it. Now what I am going to do here is, you can see only half of the butter I put. Now the balance butter I am going to add. The balance butter I have used, and we will melt it. While we are melting it, we can see we will add the mushroom. So quantity of the mushroom, you can use about 60 grams or about 6 or 7 mushroom you can use, whatever mushroom you like. Shiitake black mushroom or bati mushroom, any mushroom you like you can use. And then we use the crab meat. The crab meat should be used. Boil the crab. One big large crab if you take, you can use a crab. Boil, take the flesh and use the meat. Along with that, now I am going to use just garlic and the spinach. And along with that, I will use a little bit of this. White and the olives, whatever olives I will use. Now we will use the cream. Cream, you can use whatever cream you like. You don't have any cream, even yogurt should be. Pepper and a little salt I will put. Lightly. Balanced cheese. I have put the pasta in the bowl and a quarter of it I have taken and kept here. Now I will put this. It's a filling like. So we are putting the filling here. There again I don't put the whole thing. I will put half of it. Not half, I mean the quantity which I want. I will spread it nicely on that. Then after this, I'm adding the balance pasta over it. A little I kept. That goes over this. Olives are there. Pasta with the pasta, crab meat, olives, mushroom, all that is there. Very tasty. Actually, you won't believe, so nice and tasty. And I hope you will also enjoy preparing this type of preparation. It's something different to the normal preparation. So you can try this out and see. Instead of crab meat, any other meat you can use, like chicken, mutton, or even prawns, whatever you want, you can use and prepare this type of preparation. Spinach is very important. Now, I'll do a small decoration. I kept some ripe chilies. In ice water I kept it, and it has opened up like a lily. That's lovely. You can decorate that also. See, the ripe chili. This is my completed pasta dish. Still food is in my mouth. Anyway, so tasty and the food is very nice. You try it out and see how it comes. So nice and delicious.